Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a set with forms. I don't think I've ever done a set with forms on my channel before. Forms aren't my favorite, but I've been having problems with my nails and I just don't want to glue tips on, so I just thought, why not do some forms since I've never done them on my channel before. I have gone ahead and done my thumb already off camera just because I just wanted to get a feel for the forms again. I don't use them that often. So I went ahead and put on my index finger. I am using the Young Nails forms, and I'm using some Mia Secret Cover Beige, Mia Secret Clear, and I also have these little red heart decorations that we're going to be inlaying. guys, now we're just gonna go ahead and file. I did go ahead and file my thumb, and I like them. I just forms are just not my favorite. As you guys can see, these are super curved and these are super flat. I'm gonna try to fix it, but yeah, this is why I don't like forms. Maybe because they're so small. Maybe I should try to get some bigger ones. Anyways, yeah, let's just go ahead and file.